Vanguard Retirement Planner Honest Review. Watch before using. Vanguard offered a suite of retirement planning tools and services designed to assist individuals in preparing for their retirement. These resources include online calculators, educational materials, and personalized advisory services. So here are the key features about this Vanguard retirement planning. The first key features is retirement nest egg calculator. These tools help users estimate how long their savings might last based on current savings and expected returns and withdrawal rate. And also personal advisory services. Vanguard provides access to financial advisors who offer personalized retirement planning guidance and also educational resources. The platform offers a wealth of articles, guides, and tutorials for retirement planning to enhance financial literacy. Now, here is the probes, which is the advantages of you using the retirement planner, which is it comes with a comprehensive tools. Vanguard's retirement planning tools are robust, offering details, insights to help users make informed decision, and also it comes with a low-cost advisory services. Their advisory service fee are competitive and make personal financial advice more accessible. And also it comes with educational emphasis. Vanguard places a strong emphasis on investor education and providing resource that empower users to understand their retirement option better. And here's the downside of this retirement plan. It comes with a high investment minimum. So it comes with high investment minimums. Some Vanguard funds require initial investment ranging from $1,000 to $3,000, which may be a barrier for some investors. And also it comes with a limited real-time support, while educational resources are plentiful and access to real-time. Personalized support may be limited depending on the service styles. And here is the final verdict, which is the final value. Vanguard retirement planning offering comprehensive and cater to wide range of investors. Their tools and educational materials are top-notch, providing a valuable insight into retirement planning. However, potential users should be aware of the initial investment requirements and assess whether the level of personalized support align with their individual needs. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.